What's up, welcome to another street circumstance video. So today I'll be working on a Kia. There I'm having problems with electricity, the electronics of the car, because of the negative terminal. Sorry for the raining, the noise. So I think I'll just stand on the rain so you can hear me. So yeah, I'm having problems with Kia. It sounds like an exhaust leak. So I heard it, I think Monday, no Sunday, no not Sunday, Saturday. It was sounding weird, like there's an exhaust leak, and I checked the exhaust to only find out the exhaust is fine. So they told me to check the O2 sensor. Usually the O2 sensor pops up when you pull it. So yes, the car is a turbocharged car, so I'm quickly gonna just try and find the issue. I'm just gonna wait for this rain to finish, because I won't be able to record under the shelter because of the raindrops hitting the shelter. It's gonna make a noise, so I'm just gonna wait for the rain to pass, then I'll vlog again. So guys, I made Salugis where I get everything from sound to everything. So I want my battery terminals. So I'm gonna just get my battery terminals, then I'll vlog after. Got the terminals. So yeah, now I need to just sort out the cars and then we'll get to it. Okay guys, so it started raining again. I think I managed to sort out the problem. So the table was falling off the exhaust manifold. So the table was falling off the exhaust manifold, so I had to like tighten it back. That's why it was making that sound. I don't know if maybe it was the table or what, but yeah, that's what was going on. So I tightened the table. I first checked the table gasket on the manifold, and then tightened the table, and then sealed the table on the manifold. So yeah, because I got the sound on the first cold start, so I think the car already is cold, because it's been standing here. I've been waiting for the gasket to dry up, the gasket sealer to dry up. Yeah, so yeah, the car is modified. As you can see, silicone, cold filter.
In the morning. Never. Yabo kutanifunda. Anazi namazi kodwa thina siyazi.
Hayi khona nanzi kubaba.
Okay guys, before I was interrupted, and bigger oil, is it an oil cooler? Yeah, oil cooler, a bigger oil cooler, and boost gauge and a boost controller. So I'll quickly do the cold start so I can hear if it sounds different or it's still having that ticking sound like a lawnmower. So yeah, it's just, I hope it's not a gasket leak. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention it even has a downpipe and cancelled resignators, only back box. So yeah, downpipe, decat, cancelled resignators, and only back box at the back. So yeah, the exhaust system, it's loud. So yeah, let's see if there's any change. Okay guys, it's quiet because it was a loud sound. Even when you rev it was making that ticking noise. So it's quiet. Yeah, I guess it's fixed. Is fixed because yeah, I think the table was falling off, so I'll have to get that sorted out. I'll have to take it to a specialist to try and check if there's no threads that are worn out there where the table holds the manifold. So yeah guys, so this is the episode for today. Stay tuned guys, subscribe, like, share, comment or no comment, still the same, but yeah, I think my job is done here. So catch you on the next vlog of Street Circumstance. Ciao.